Bismillah. I am thankful to the organizing committee to providing me an opportunity to present my paper in the fourth International Conference on Applied Zoology 2021. My name is Nausheen Aslam. I am from Department of Biochemistry, GCUF, and my topic is bioevaluation of potentially active jugulant regia against diabetes and atherosclerosis. Jugulant regia are among the best commonly consumed and commercially grown up tree nuts throughout the world. Consumption of these trees have been reported for many health benefits, including treatment of type 2 diabetes, reduced coronary heart disease, risk of cardiovascular disease, and the treatment and prevention of certain cancers and the reduction of different age-related nervous disorders. Jugulant regia is known as good source lipid due to their high lipid content. Their oil is used without refining for edible purposes, mostly for salad dressing. Nuts are rich source of potassium, magnesium, fiber, vitamin E, and unsaturated fatty acid, especially omega 3 and omega 6. Polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are important nutritional fatty acids. This makes Jugulant regia necessary for a healthy diet, and as suggested by many studies, they are provide specific protection against coronary heart diseases. In history, several parts of plants, including leaf, bark, seeds, and green husk, were used in traditional medicine. Jugulant regia leaves used in the treatment of diarrhea, for the treatment of tapeworm. Their oil is used. Walnuts can help in the treatment of different skin or, disorders such as acne, herpes, eczema, dermatitis, and itching. In folk medicine, the shell of walnut was used to heal malaria. The diminished response causes defects in triglyceride metabolism, and the basal insulin causes lipid synthesis, causing lipid deposition and proliferation of smooth muscles. In patients with diabetes, hyperglycemia, and insulin resistance, participate to alter endothelial hemostasis, thus favoring atherosclerotic features and coronary events. High glucose and free fatty acid level trigger accumulation of reactive oxygen species and subsequent alteration of pro-oxidant and inflammatory pathway, advanced glycation and products. These trigger inflammatory transcription program leading to overexpression of adhesion molecules, monocyte adhesion, and subsequent formation of foam cells. Metformin and simvastatin are commonly used to treat diabetes and atherosclerosis, having large number of side effects like physical weakness, uh, diarrhea, gas, headache, difficulty sleeping, um, and different. So keeping in view the side effects, the present study was designed to check the effectiveness of selected medicinal plants to evaluate the pharmaceutical response of potentially active plants to cure type 2 diabetes and atherosclerosis in high fat induced atherosclerotic and diabetic rats by using plant extract. Material. The husk of selected medicinal plant was collected from Azad Kashmir, Pakistan. The bark of plant was washed thoroughly under tap water to remove dust content. The washed material was dried at room temperature until the moisture content was fully removed. Then it was extracted in 70% ethanol by such standard Soxhlet method. The the sock sample was filtered separately to obtain the final extract. The entire solution was filtered. The soap bar powder on top of the top to filter to filter paper was pressed to filter the remaining solvent present in it and then discarded. The filtered solvent was evaporated in the rotary evaporator to obtain the extract. Out of total extracted solvent, nearly remaining extract was air evaporated to obtain final bar extract. And here is the experimental design for diet and grouping of animal. Total 12-week-old albino rats were taken, having weight of 180 to 200 grams, kept in an animal house under observation in control condition for acclimatization of 1 week. The proof for all the experiment was taken from the Institutional Review Board, Government College, University, Faisalabad. Group A is normal control. Group animal that are given normal diet. Group B is positive control. Group five rats, they were given high fat diet and normal saline as treatment like that of group A. Group C is standard control group, 5 rats. They were also given high-fat diet and standard drugs, simvastatin and metformin. Simvastatin 4 mg per kg per day and metformin 600 microgram uh, per kilogram as a treatment. Group D is a treatment group. They also contain 5 rats, was also given high fat diet and extract of Juglans regia 500 milligram per kg per day as a treatment. And group E, it is also a treatment group. We will say treatment group 2. They also contain 5 rats. They were also given high fat diet and extract of Juglans regia at the rate of 250 milligram per kg per day as a treatment. At 0 day after acclimatization to blood samples from rats for their laboratory investigation. The blood glucose level was monitored weekly. Uh, Glucose was also determined, and their total lipid and their total cholesterol and triglyceride were measured. And after this, histopathology of tissue was done by the method of uh, Chintu Mohan and Kumar. Stained areas were observed and imaged under microscope. And now Juglans regia bark extract was prepared and its status was evaluated for functional properties against diabetes and atherosclerosis against rat model. In rat model, soil condition, ecology, um, climate, genotype, technical and cultural practices are the factors involved in variation of chemical and mineral content of Juglans regia. Here is the average yield, which was 14.6 and average percent yield was 7.33%. Effect of Juglans regia on body weight. The finding of research suggested that the body weight of rats started increasing from 0 day due to high fat content. The 500 milligram per kg extract of Juglans regia maintained the body weight of rats to normal level. Here is the effect of Juglans regia on blood glucose level. The blood glucose values of all groups increased due to high fat diet. As you can see in this slide, the 500 milligram per kg of Juglans regia plant extract lower blood glucose level most prominently than the market drug and showed minimum average drug, that is 87.6. That was the significant result. Now, the effect of Juglans regia on lipid profile. The triglyceride value of treatment Group decreased significantly as compared to standard control and treatment group 1. The total cholesterol value of standard control decreases as compared to positive control and treatment control. Similarly, HDL value had nearly same value of standard control and treatment group 1 as compared to positive control. LDL value was lowest in treatment group as compared to positive control. Concentration of LDL cholesterol and total plasma decreases by replacement of nutritional saturated fatty acid with their polyunsaturated fatty acid or monounsaturated fatty acid. Histopathological changes were seen in liver of control and tested group animals. High power microphotographs of normal control showed fat free hepatic chloroplasts. The liver of rats had which they were given high fat diet, showed hepatic infiltration and steatosis, high ratio of accumulated fat cells, which we say fat vacuoles, were also seen in hepatocytes. Juglin-Regia treatment effectively improved. Here we can see the Juglin-Regia treatment effectively improved hepatic fatty infiltration and inhibited liver steatosis in comparison with standard control. Juglin-Regia treatment significantly reduced the liver weight and liver steatosis in rats. Fat vacuoles were also not seen in these hepatocytes. The study was conducted to check the pharmaceutical value of Juglans rejects. The result had showed that 500 milligram per kg of 70% plant extract showed highest effect on body weight, blood glucose, and lipid profiles of albino rats in comparison with standard control. Juglans regia treatment significantly reduces the liver weight and liver steatosis in rats. So we can say that Juglans regia would be a strong herbal remedy in future for diabetes and atherosclerosis. Here are the references. Thank you for your attention.